Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Vancoin, its price prediction mega bullion, and its Binance exchange listing date. Is it possible that this cat theme meme coin can be next listing for Binance or no? So videos be very special, very important. I have to just for the complete here. Transaxi Van current price appeared 4 times over to $8 due to recent market crash. Entire market was dumping. Van was also dumping. You can see maximum chart was here. Coin was launched and dumped little bit after that. Make a massive high and make a new all-time high. There was 3.3 times $0.51 back in last year a few months ago. After that continuously dumping, and right now we are almost on its all-time low and 95% down. Okay, right now Vancoin is 95% down than the all-time high. But friends, now as market is recovering, so its price is also recovered. You can see last 30 days 9% and last 14 days 28% pump. So somehow this is good recovery from Vancoin. $20.8 million market. So this is good, friends. Exceed $20.8 million market for Van. This is really good. $4.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is also good, friends, because still there's no Binance Coinbase listing for Van. So trading volume is 4.2 million. That is good. Okay. And Solana ecosystem, Carthy meme coin, not just a meme coin, but friends, you can see NFT, fractionalized NFT, and NFT-Fi, AI meme coins, enemy theme meme coin, and Madden USA. This category is amazing. Madden USA category is going to fast its first mega bullion this year, and AI meme coin and other new category for this bullion. And this coin Van is also working in both of these categories, and also NFT-Fi meme coins. So this is good. When we see massive high for made in USA coins, then definitely Van can outperform here. You can see, friends, we are 94% down the install time high. There was March 27 last year. Okay, 94% down. Okay, so right now we are nearly on its all-time low also, but now market is recovering, so maybe it's possible that we can see Van to move upward here. And K2Chayo, MEXC, Arbit, Lbank has listed, Hotcoin has listed, OrangeX has listed, BingX already used Central Exchange listing for this coin, but friends, still there's no Binance Coinbase, but Kraken has listed a base US Central Exchange has already listed this coin, Crypto.com has listed this coin. So this is huge, friends, and it's possible that Van can be next listing for maybe Binance Coinbase also, because you can see Coin One has also listed this coin and already used Central Exchange for Van coin. Friends, in my previous videos, if you play right now, so you can check out that right now its website is updated here. Before this website was other, but right now its website and its logo is changed. Okay, before that its logo was another, but right now its the logo is changed and its website is also updated here. So this is good. You can see onboarding the girls fun of Van at a time. What's Van? Van is a culture, Van is a movement, and you can check out all further details here. Okay, friends. Holder worldwide 238,000 holders for Van coins. This is good. And 345 pillars integration for Van. This is awesome. 30 plus centralized and DEXs listing for this coin. You can see we trust on 30 plus centralized and DEXs exchange listing for this coin, including Kraken, Crypto.com, Cook, and some best centralized exchange where this coin is already listed. So this is awesome, friends. You can check out all further details here on their website by yourself also. Solana Scan, you can check out all further details at 231,000 holders on their website. Number of holders was high, 238,000, but still I think it's not updated here on Solana Scan. 231,000 holders according to Solana Scan. You can see, friends, Bybit Exchange is the highest holder of this coin. It is holding 10% of supply. Current worth about $2 million. Gate.io and other central exchanges holding 6.4% of supply, and Bitget, that's another central exchange holding 3.9% supply. MEXC, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Crypto.com, and wallet number 9 is this liquidity wallet holding 1.2% supply. And other wallet, okay, don't know who wallet is this, holding 1.2% supply. So friends, top 10 wallets, I think out of top 10, 7 wallets are central exchanges wallets. So this is good, friends. And you can see top 20 wallets are again some central exchanges wallets. There are KuCoin, and we have MEXC wallet also here. So token distribution is good. You can see, friends, Kraken exchange wallets are also holding this coin because coin is already listed on Kraken. And Jupiter, that is Solana Dex, you can see Kraken Cold Wallet 2 and Kraken 25th wallet. holding 0.6 and 0.7% supply. So friends, no doubt token distribution is amazing. It's really good. There's no any value issue looking here. That is why this coin is also recurring here with market. Okay, due to recent dump, its coin was dumped here, but right now you can see we are going upward here, and maybe it's possible if crypto market stabilize at these levels and bitcoin can trade above $92,000, and we have no any bad news in coming days in crypto market, then definitely we can see when to move upward here. In short term we can see smart cap maybe around 40 to 60 million. That will be exactly 2 to 3x from here. But friends, in long term, definitely Vancoin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin. And these are the central exchanges that I already show you where this coin is listed. If you not have MEXC and Gateway.io account yet, I provide you both central exchanges. Links in description. You can join both central exchanges. Registration is simple, KYC is simple. After that, you can deposit there and you can start trading meme coins and all other cryptocurrencies before listing on major central exchanges, just like when initially listed on MEXC exchange and the Gateway.io exchange. After that, listed on many other central exchanges. So friends, both are good central exchanges. You can join both central exchanges. Friends, now my price prediction about Vancoin in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion is around $3 to $5 billion market cap, because still we have Binance and Coinbase listing left for this coin, and many other central exchanges still no list Vancoin yet. So lot of central exchange listing left for Vancoin, and its current market cap is just 20.8 million. Okay, so we can consider this is still a low cap meme coin because we are 95% down, almost 95% down than its all-time high, and coin is already listed in Kraken, Crypto.com, KuCoin. So this is good that this is not a rug coin, okay, or a scammed coin, because already on major central exchanges. This is good, but friends, because it's a meme coin, so I think if we have massive high for meme coins in coming months, then many meme coins will list on Binance and Coinbase, and at that time, this meme coin has potential to be the next $3 to $5 billion market coin. It's really possible the event can hit maybe $3 to $5 billion market in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. And friends, if you still not join my Telegram channel yet, you can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all cryptocurrencies update before on YouTube videos. Okay, just like I told you about Shiru and many other meme coins, and this is 100% free. Link in description. You can join my Telegram channel, and if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description and also on my Telegram channel. You can just join my Telegram channel. Click here in pinned message. Okay, you can pinned message. After that, you can get my crypto addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins.